Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with a look at your extended forecast on the digital platforms. It's going to stay warm and clear, at least sunny here on the lower Front Range, and then cloudy and with some light snow showers up in the mountains throughout the day. The wind is going to be the major factor though. Let's take a look at the HD Doppler radar picture right now to see what's going on up there in the high country. These are just light, continuous snow showers driven by the jet stream winds, and that's going to continue throughout the day. I don't think we're going to see much more than an inch or two of additional accumulation out this, but it could continue on until about noon tomorrow. So it's going to look about like that up in the high country. Take a look at the 24-hour snow totals. Have been pretty good out there on the Grand Mesa on the south side near Cedar Edge. They had 10.2 inches reported, Crested Butte 3.5. We even got some decent snow up on the Palmer Divide. Black Forest coming in there with 2.4 inches over the snow from last night. In the Denver metro area, we got mostly just rain, but this is total precipitation, which also includes melted frozen precip. Denver International Airport got skated once again, just 2/100ths of an inch of rain out there. Of course, Elizabeth and Castle Rock out the Palmer Divide, almost a half inch of moisture. Centennial, 2/10, almost a quarter inch of moisture. I got 0.12 here in North Arvada. So we'll take it. Great moisture, good little storm system there to relieve some of the dry conditions, but overall we're amazingly dry. Take a look at this web camera here, looking back towards the mountains across the Denver skyline there. Blue skies and sunny. That'll stay that way along the Front Range, and you can see those clouds up in the high country. This is the way that the entire day is going to at least look. Feel, we've got we're up to 53 right now at Denver International Airport. We may be headed to about 60 degrees for the day, but that wind is probably not going to make it feel 60 if we do make it here. Highest probability there topping out at 58 degrees in Denver, some upper 50s and 60s out there on the eastern plains. The mountains are going to stay cool because of that cloud cover and those flurries. As you can maybe hear the wind in my mic right now as they kick up here. We've got some high winds out there. The only warnings at this point are in southern Wyoming there in those areas that you see in the shaded pink areas, but the entire state of Colorado is going to be very windy today, but expected to stay just under the threshold for a high wind warning. So we're looking at about a 15 to 30 mile per hour gusts here in the Denver metro throughout the day, 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts out on the eastern plains. You can see some of those wind barbs coming in from the northwest there. Some of those red and orange colors, those are really the strongest. I wouldn't be surprised to see a late addition high wind warning added to this, but for right now, we're going to keep that out of there. And here's the reason why we're so windy. Take a look. The jet stream is right over the state of Colorado there. That thing's whipping at about 80 miles per hour at about 15,000, between 10 and 15,000 feet. So that's what's really hitting the mountains, causing the snow showers, and then it's dipping down on the Front Range, which makes it warmer and drier, so we stay clear and dry out here. Let's put this into motion. You can see the next couple of days here as the jet stream starts to push away, still overhead tomorrow and early Friday morning, so it'll stay gusty, maybe a little warmer tomorrow, nice day Friday, and then a very complicated jet stream pattern starts to unfold. What you don't see in this picture up in Canada is we're expected to be some very high pressure developing out there. So if you see the greens and the blue shaded colors there just to the north of us, so on the northern tier there, that low pressure is expected to kind of get stuck there and swirl, and that's going to throw about 3 or 4 cold fronts towards Colorado starting Saturday. So we kind of put this thing into motion. You can kind of see how that thing just does not really move, keeping the jet stream over Denver and then a few little dips starting Saturday. So let's take a look at the 7-day forecast to figure out how all that translates into how that feels for you. So tomorrow, similar to today, maybe a little less windy, a little bit warmer, and then fair conditions on Friday. Friday will be the nice day with less wind, warmer conditions here on the Front Range, 71 forecast for Denver. And then Saturday, we get that first cold front come through. Doesn't look like it's going to be much, maybe just to cool us down a little bit and pick the winds back up a little. And then on Sunday, kind of Halloween stuck in the middle of this, so still complicated to figure out what's going to unfold here on Sunday, but it looks like there's at least a shot at some isolated showers on the Front Range, maybe along, you know, the time where we are sending our kiddos out for trick-or-treating. So it could be mixed rain, snow, could be rain. Up to the north near Fort Collins, maybe a little bit better chance to pick up a little bit of snow showers on that Halloween night. Probably a low chance that there's going to be actual accumulation out of this if there is snow showers on Halloween. But then look at that, on Monday and Tuesday we have 2 more fronts that'll slide through, giving us additional chances to pick up accumulating rain or accumulating snow here in the Denver metro area. It's twice in history Halloween has been the first snow, and then a little bit less of a chance on historically, but it looks like Monday and Tuesday does have a shot. Some of the models are showing about an inch of accumulation in the Denver metro area on both of those days. And so that unsettled pattern will last all the way into the middle of next week. So enjoy the next couple of somewhat warm days. Even though it's going to be breezy, it'll be a lot nicer compared to those unsettled days that are coming ahead, and we'll just have to wait and see how this thing develops to figure out what very specific details occur on those days, and we'll know that as we get closer. So for now, enjoy your Wednesday, a lot of sunshine out there, and enjoy the rest of your week heading into this nice weekend, and happy Halloween.